Did you know that one of history's greatest breakthroughs in psychology came from the darkest place imaginable? Viktor Frankl lost everything in Nazi concentration camps: his family, his life's work, nearly his own life. But he discovered something that changed how we understand the human mind. The survivors weren't the strongest or the healthiest. They were the ones who held onto meaning and purpose. While others gave up hope, Frankl secretly rebuilt his destroyed manuscript. He wrote on stolen scraps of paper, hiding his words from guards. This became Man's Search for Meaning, one of the most important books ever written. Frankl realized we're not driven by pleasure or power, we're driven by meaning. He found three sources: creative work that matters to you, love relationships that connect you, and choosing your attitude towards suffering you can't avoid. Even in hell on earth, he proved one thing: no one can take away your freedom to choose how you respond. That choice is where your power lives. That choice is where meaning begins.